Hi guys! Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Oils Are Blessings. My colleagues and friends call me Summer, but you can also call me Sam. The very reason why I got into essential oils is because I saw a friend who posted that essential oils was able to help the respiratory concerns of her kids, and at that time that was basically my concern as well. So I bought my own kit, and after that I fell in love. Of course, I fell in love with the oils, and of course when you love something you want to share it as well. But my husband actually told me to stop sharing because of course I was very new at the time and I have very little information about the do's and don'ts of essential oils. So of course I do not want to harm anybody with essential oils. So that was the starting point or my turnaround as to why I wanted to study essential oil. So right now I am an aromatherapy student under the tutelage of Amy Galper. So why do I love essential oils? Just because it was able to give me the ability to take care of myself and my loved ones in a more natural way. And who doesn't want that, diba? So aside from being an aromatherapy student, I am also an event planner of social and corporate events. I also organize trade fairs, job fairs, and bridal fairs. So with all of these experiences, it is my goal to inspire you to learn, improve, and grow every time you watch one of my videos. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you will be notified every time I have another video. Again, my name is Sam and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye! Peace and blessings!